Hello, kindergarten. I told you yesterday that we would be talking about families this week. Today we're going to be reading a story called What Makes a Family. There are all kinds of different families made up of all different kinds of people. So we're going to read today and see about what some different families might look like and what people might do with their families. All right? What makes a family? Everybody's family is special. Families may include parents, sisters, and brothers. Families may include grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Sometimes friends and neighbors are part of our families. Some families are small. Some families are big. Everybody's family is special. Families may live close together. Families may live far apart. Families do many things together. Oh, look, these families are flying a kite, blowing bubbles, playing music, giving the dog a bath. Do you do any of those kinds of things with your family? Families celebrate together. Everybody's family is special. Families help each other. When someone in your family says, "I love you," you feel warm inside. When someone says, "I am proud of you," a special day feels happier. Families have memories. "I remember when you were a baby," says a grandmother. She always remembers. Everybody's family is special. What is special about your family? All right. I want you to think about that for just a minute. What is special about your family? And I want you to think about who are the members of your family. Everybody's family is different. Some people may have brothers and sisters. Some people may live with their mommy and daddy, or just their mommy, or just their daddy, or they might live with their grandparents, or an aunt or an uncle. So I want you to think about who is in your family. And I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to draw me a picture of your family. Think about all the members of your family. Our pets are part of our family too, so you can include those. And I would love you to send me a picture of your family. Good luck.